Pendo Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Pendo and other recommended tools are in the description. Let's get right into it. Pendo is a customer experience platform that specializes in product analytics, user feedback, and in-app guidance, designed to help dropshippers optimize the user journey and improve customer retention. Pendo offers features like in-app product tours, surveys, and detailed analytics to track how users interact with your dropshipping site. This tool is aimed at businesses that want to improve their website or app experience by gaining a deeper understanding of user behavior and collecting actionable insights. For dropshipping businesses, Pendo is a great choice if you're looking to enhance your customer experience by improving product pages, checkout processes, and post-purchase engagement. Pendo provides an intuitive dashboard to track important metrics like user behavior, feature usage, and customer engagement, which helps identify pain points that may be causing users to abandon their carts or drop off during the buying process. The platform also allows you to create in-app guides that direct users step by step through complex actions, helping to reduce friction during the shopping experience. The main strength of Pendo is its ability to offer in-app messaging and feedback collection, which can be a game changer for dropshipping businesses. It gives you the opportunity to communicate directly with users, ask for feedback, and gather insights to improve user experience in real time. Additionally, its analytics tools allow you to track key behaviors, such as which products are most popular, where users tend to drop off, and how different customer segments interact with your store. This level of insight helps you fine-tune your marketing strategies and website features. On the downside, Pendo may not be the best fit for beginners. The platform has a steeper learning curve compared to some other analytics tools, and while the features are robust, they may be overwhelming if you're new to analytics. Pendo also tends to be on the pricier side, which may be a barrier for smaller dropshipping businesses with limited budgets. Overall, Pendo is a powerful tool for improving the customer journey and optimizing user experience for dropshipping stores. If you're looking to gather deep insights about how users interact with your site and want to make data-driven decisions to boost conversions, Pendo is a solid choice. However, its complexity and cost may make it less ideal for beginners or smaller businesses looking for more basic analytics tools.